All right, guys, just unboxing. This is my first time unboxing this A5 jump starter with air compressor. This is a 4000A car battery jump starter. It's got a 12-volt jumper on it, and it's also got 160 PSI tire inflation with an auto off, so it'll automatically shut off when it gets there, and it's got a 45-watt output power bank as well. What's cool about this is you could actually be charging it up with the USB-C cable on the back, while also plugging your phone in with the USB cable at the same time. So this thing not only can jumpstart your car, do air compression in an emergency situation, it could also charge your phone or tablet or something like that in an emergency situation. I love the size of this. A lot of these come smaller, and one of the issues with the smaller ones is they don't last as long and you need to recharge them more often. This is a true emergency kit for your car. In fact, I don't recommend going anywhere without one of these, just to be on the safe side. We're going to go ahead and do air compression in a second, but I wanted to show you some of the features. We'll go ahead and turn it on just so you can see. And we're on to PSI right now. So we got the car mode. We can go down to all these different modes. You got the motorcycle, you got the bike, you got the basketball, and you got the person right there. So it has a lot of different options, all the way up to 160 PSI. Very easy to use. You do have a USB-C port up here. That's how you charge it. You have a USB port there. You also have another USB-C out on the side that you could use to charge your phone or a computer or something like that. All we do in order to use the air compressor, we have that twisted on here. So this just attaches right here like this, as you can see. You have all the different attachments, whether you're using a ball or whatever. And then we have the jump starter, and that just plugs right in here. Other way. All right. And that thing's ready to go. So all we do is just attach that to our battery, and now we can jump start it. But we are going to use this as an air compressor. So let's go ahead and test it out now. All right, so we are out here, and we're going to go ahead and use this with the tire. Now, obviously I don't need my car emergency started, but we have that just in case. But I've got it set to 33 PSI right here. Oops. Boom, boom, boom. Set to 33 PSI. Now we're going to go ahead, put it on. And now it's going. And you can see it's at 28. There we go. So this is fun. This is the most sturdy, big one I've ever used, and I think it's worth having a larger unit like this, especially when you're looking for emergency situations. It's going to stay charged up longer. It's got more power behind it, whether you need it for an emergency start or to pump up your tires. I mean, in my opinion, this is a must-have, especially as someone who does a lot of road trips. We're already at 31, so this is moving real fast, guys. Boom, perfect. That's exactly what you want it to do. Now, some of the more budget units I've used in the past, they could take a lot longer to work, or they might not even totally get there. This thing got there without much effort at all. Again, wanted to show you as well, you also have that emergency light on there. This thing's just very cool, dude. You can charge your devices. You can emergency start your car. You can pump up your tires. You can pump up your bike tires, your balls, anything like that. Highly recommend.